What's up? I am thrilled to announce that we are doing another game jam. It is happening from July 30th to August 7th. This is Eastern time, so it may kind of flex based on your time zone. There is a link down in the description for you to be able to join. It's going to be a 9-day game jam. So we're going to do the last weekend in July to the that first full weekend in August. So you get both weekends and you get the whole week in between to work on your VR game. This is going to be the VR Jam 2022, and it is hosted by me, obviously. You're going to have Valem hosting it as well, VR with Andrew, Dinesh from Immersive Insiders, and Dilmer are all going to be hosting and judging and doing videos about this jam. So it's going to be a lot of people. It's going to be pretty big. This is definitely going to be the biggest VR game jam of the year of 2022. So you don't want to miss this one. And it's for all skill levels. So anyone can join if you are a beginner or if you do VR professionally. All skill levels are able to apply. And there are actually prizes as well. So we're going to give prizes to first, second, and third. The ranking system is going to be on enjoyment. So how much do you enjoy playing the game? Concept. So how interesting or unique is the game idea? This is all kind of keeping to the theme that will be announced the day the game starts. And presentation. So how well executed is the game? So how well does it look? How well does it function? All that kind of stuff. And then use of theme. So use of theme will be announced the day, the minute that the game jam starts. It'll be announced on the jam page. So just make sure to keep a lookout for that. And it's also going to be announced on my Discord, Valem's Discord. It's going to be, we'll put it everywhere. So before I let you go, let's talk about some rules for the jam. So rules are to keep it clean. So no not safe for work content, offensive, excessive gore, violence, that kind of stuff. And then we're going to require that you list whatever assets you used. Any assets are available for use. You have to start making the game from when the moment the jam starts. You can't make a game ahead of time. That's why we're not announcing the theme until the actual moment the jam starts, so nobody can get a head start. We're actually going to provide you a Git download link that gives you kind of a jumping off point for a Unity VR project. And so if you struggle with the actual building and deploying part of the VR process, then we're actually going to help you out with that. So there's going to be links down in the description and on the jam page to download those as well. You can use any engine. So most of the developers who are hosting this use Unity, but if you are inclined to use Unreal or Godot or any other game engine that suits your fancy, go for it. Submit it as long as it is posted on itch and downloadable for us to play. We're gonna have a creative, fun theme this time, and I'm actually pretty excited for it. And then you can join up with a team. So in my Discord, in Valem's Discord, and in Immersive Insider, Dinesh's Discord, all of our channels are actually linked as far as the game jam and team finding channels. So if you're interested in finding a team to participate with, then you can come hang out in our Discords, or you can find a game jam team on the threads in the forum section of itch.io on the jam page. So a few different options for finding teams if you don't already have one. And just make sure you submit the game on time. Be on the lookout for what prizes we're actually going to be giving out. Those will be posted in the coming weeks. And then if you are a asset developer, or you have something that you would like to provide for us to give as a prize, then there's a form also in the link down in the description that you can fill out to give away some prizes if you're interested in that kind of thing. We're actually really excited for this one. It's going to be huge. We're going to have several hundred people actually participating in this one, and probably at least 100 games to play through. So even if you don't want to participate, you can just come and play some free VR games. So it's going to be a fun week. So go click on the link down in the description to sign up, and I'll see you there.